So a common application for flush cut is industries such as shipbuilding or heavy industrial tank manufacturing, where you may have to use lifting eyes or vertical stanchions to move parts around in the fabrication process. And oftentimes those lifting eyes or vertical stanchions have to be removed after the manufacturing process is complete. So flush cut allows you to remove those welds of those stanchions with getting very close to your base plate without digging in or damaging your base plate. Second application of flush cut is often used in truck, trailer, or automotive manufacturing, where you may have gussets or support brackets that are added in the manufacturing process. And sometimes they might have to remove a gusset or a bracket or a stanchion, or even repair a gusset or a bracket. And flush cut would allow you to remove those gussets and those brackets off the base plate, often relocating them and re-welding them to your manufacturing process.